This is the well-known fireweed, a member of the willow herb family and very familiar to everybody, certainly in the northern hemisphere, as this plant has spread, particularly around areas of wildfires and not just there, waste places too. It produces so many seeds that blow around on the wind, it's easy to see why, but it also contains very useful phytoceuticals, particularly this one, Oenothein B, a very complicated molecule, but it has lots of tremendous pharmaceutical activities that have been explored over the last few years. And as well as telling you about this amazing plant and its particularly remarkable leaves, if you look closely at the leaves, they look like they've got leaf scales on them. They don't look really like leaves at all. They're like paneling on a roof or something. Anyway, here's a recent paper that looks at the therapeutic potential of polyphenol chemicals from Epilobium angustifolium, which is fireweed. And its biological activities are not just confined to fireweed itself, but lots of other members of the willow herb family, including hirsutum, parviflorum, montanum, tetragonum, roseum, and adenocorlon. But I think angustifolium, the fireweed that we have here, is probably the best source of some of these useful chemicals, which can be used to treat inflammation of various kinds, particularly gastrointestinal inflammation. And that, not only that, it has they have properties against benign prostate hyperplasia. And Oenothein B is a polyphenol found in various plants, but particularly Epilobium angustifolium, and its Oenothein B is 14 to 23%. One study found that the administration of Oenothein B reduced neuroinflammation in the brain. Another study found that Oenothein B stimulates lymphocytes, including T cells